think she got a booger on this thingy. Check it to see if it's done. Oh, look at that! Bet you thought we were making fried apples today. No. We're making monkey bread. So what do you need for this recipe? Well, you're gonna need a pizza. Just kidding. You're gonna need your son, Simon, for moral support. You're gonna need some scissors to cut these thingies. You're gonna need 2 or 3 of the thing that I'm holding upside down, buttermilk biscuits. You better like the video, kids. I'll find you. You're gonna get some Pillsbury Doughboy buttermilk biscuits. 2 or 3 of those will do. Some butter, but we're gonna use ghee. It's a healthier alternative. You got it. What? The oven's not on. Some brown sugar and some cinnamon. We're gonna grease the pan. We don't have really the thing to grease it with, but we're gonna just do a little bit of ghee. Don't put too much because it'll burn in the oven. Also, if possible, you'll wanna get a non-Teflon pan. We're not doing that because we're poor. As you can see, the Teflon is scratching off the side, so that'll add to some extra flavor and probably give us cancer. We're gonna crack these on the countertop like a bottle of champagne on the side of the Titanic before it all went crashing down. So what you do is, you peel it, you firmly grasp it in your hand, and then you say, Salud! And then you got the biscuits right here. Ooh, look at that soft, soft pud. We are going to cut these into fourths. So let me grab one of these. It's so tempting just to take a bite. Just kidding. That tastes disgusting. So you're gonna take your old trusty scissors. Make sure you wash the scissors because we didn't. I mean, look at that. Right there on this area, there's a little crusty. There's a little thing right there. We're not gonna wash the scissors because that's extra flavor. My love has set the mood lighting. Ooh. We're gonna put a cinnamon sugar mixture in this bowl. Good dude.
Why does it look like a little dookie's coming out? A little dingleberry. Yummy.
The cinnamon.
Yeah, and then I think we'll just mix that around and we'll cut these into fourths and start dipping them in there. Be sure to wash your hands.
I think she got a booger on this thingy. Grab those beautiful buns firmly in your hand and cut them into fourths. After that, watch the rest of the video. Once we get one done, we will coat these in the cinnamon sugar mixture and place them evenly and on like one layer inside this pan.
Should I start putting the ghee on the pan?
Yes, because I almost forgot to do that. So I just roll it around like this inside. So it gets stuck and coated on the biscuit. So now we'll start. I'll hand these off to Angela and she will place them in the pan. We got them all packed in here like a clown car. That's 1 pack of Pillsbury Doughboys. And now we gotta put the butter and brown sugar mixture on top. We actually did something crazy and put the fried apples in there too. All right, so the recipe wanted us to put way more butter ghee on it. We're not gonna do that because we don't wanna kill ourselves.
We'll do 1.5, like one
For
and
all
then
you
another.
baking experts, I'm pretty sure this is standard operating procedure. I say that passes. Standard baking procedure, wipe the thingy. And then you put this concoction that'll definitely clog your arteries in the microwave for 30 seconds.
We got it out of the microwave. We're gonna start now and make this like molassesy yumminess that you'll pour onto the monkey bread.
Half goes on now. I'm pretty sure we got the ratios wrong.
The good thing is that we also put the apple with the cinnamon and the sugar. So it's like basically it, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. It'll be good.
We'll see how it turns out because we're kind of just spitballing with that.
Yeah, we're newbie noobs. So we'll put the other half on later. We're just gonna kind of lather it and slather it. Lather it and slather it. Ooh.
Get that gushy gush.
Get that Oh. Hey.
Huzzah!
Yeah.
You are baptized in the name of the baking Lord. Thanks be to the what's it? The candy man? The cookie man? What's the cookie man's name? Cookie Monster.
A baby? Oh.
Boy.
Oh. I'm a professional. Gotta circumcise. Snip. So then we go snippy, snippy, snippy. We cut that in fourths.
No more mommy for you.
It needs to be deeply massaged. Yeah. Nice and tender like. Oh, easy. Easy. Oh, that's a knot. You had a lot of stressful work week, huh? Oh. There you go.
After you've cut those beautiful biscuits into fourths, you're gonna put them in cinnamon sugar again.
Don't tell your dentist, kids. Stacky, stacky, stack it up.
Well, you should be proud.
See that? That's pride.
I done good.
Built for tough. And then you add a pizza for extra flavor.
And then you pour the rest of what looks like stomach acid, but is not stomach acid.
Oh, stomach acid. Yummy stomach acid. I think I poured more than half on the first one because there's like nothing.
Should we make a little bit more? The face of disapproval. It's like, no.
No, of course not. There's enough.
There's not. Look at this dry spot.
It's all dry. There's not enough. That's what happens when you deviate from the actual recipe. If you want the real family recipe, you'll have to take it over my dead body. Oh yeah, we gonna die.
Who can say where the wind blows, where the wind blows?
All right, we got more pud. It's supposed to be more liquidy than this. And then you lather it and slather it in there. Really getting every crevasse. Look at that. Really get in there nice and deep like.
Comment down below if you know where that reference is from.
I think that looks way better. And then you pop that puppy in the oven. At 350 degrees, you put it in the oven.
For a baby and me.
Goodbye, baby. Okay. How long do we put this in there for?
It's a great question. You put it for 30 to 40 minutes.
30 to 40 minutes? Okay.
Hey Siri, set a 30-minute timer.
Ugly.
30 minutes counting.
She got it. She got it. Nice.
Cheers.
Cheers. And Simon, that is how you become a responsible young man.
Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, then watch Loki on Disney+.
Check it to see if it's done. It has been about 30 to 35 minutes. Yeah, maybe we give it like 5 more minutes. So it looks done, but we're gonna test it out. Usually you know it's done when it's kind of crispy on the top. But we heard that if you put the thermometer in, it should be at what temperature?
190.
190. It's going up. Yeah, it's done.
Eee!
So now we let it sit for 5 minutes. And then after that, we're gonna flip it onto a plate, and then you got yourself some monkey bread. If you really wanna enjoy this, make sure you make some canela. You want to explain what canela is?
Canela is made with water and, drum roll please, cinnamon sticks.
Cinnamon sticks.
Get yourself some cinnamon sticks, kids. You can easily make yourself some canela.
Canela.
You just boil them until they turn a very dark red maroon color, and you got yourself some canela. And then you just drink it.
Go get yourself some canela to drink with these lovely, lovely monkey bread. Yeah. Angela got me this cup. It's my favorite mug.
Oh, we gotta show them the paw.
Yeah. Little lid that you can cover, and this cute little paw that you can stir sugar and milk in there.
So you drown the kitty. You put it here, and then it's like, help! Help me! Help!
Hang in there, kitty.
Perfect.
Question is, what's the mechanics of, like, do I flip this way or that way?
I think
or
you
do I put a
flip.
plate? Ooh!
Oh, plate over it.
Plate over it!
We just thought of this. I'm sure this might be the right way to do it, but well, we were just gonna flip it. But put a plate over it. And we won't break the plate. But you gotta flip it. So okay, yep. Oh no, it's dripping. It's dripping everywhere.
It's dripping?
It's okay. Yeah, smooth. Slowly. Look at that! Whoa! That's incredible. And then what you do, like little monkeys, you go, and you pick it and you pick at it and eat it. Oh my goodness. Beba. Came out way better than we thought.
Wow.
That's incredible.
It's so golden, and it's so like, it's just like, the colors, they're so vibrant. And the glazed look of the sugar and stuff.
Yeah.
Diabetes.
Ready to dig into that?
I'm ready.
Give it a bite. First bite. Is it hot?
No.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You pick it like so. Oh no, it's hot. It's too hot. So you're gonna wanna let it cool a little bit more, but yeah, that's how you make and eat monkey bread. Pick this guy. Holy cow, that's warm. That is really warm. Oh, Nelly.
Maybe we just use forks.
Might need to use forks. But then we wouldn't be able to get the finger licking goodness.
Thoughts?
It's a delicious monkey bread. Reminds me of my childhood.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Christmas morning.
Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm.
The family recipe, that's not the family recipe, but it is.
It's our own recipe now. It's our family recipe. All right, well, thanks for being here. We appreciate you watching this video. We're gonna enjoy this lovely monkey bread with our canela. But thanks for being here. If you want to see more from us, you can subscribe. Be sure to like the video because we worked dang hard on this cake. And, ooh, she gonna dunka. I am not gonna dunka because I will lose it inside my canela.
Yeah, it's hanging by a thread.
Know that we really appreciate you guys. It fell into it.
You're a prophet. You're exactly what you said.
You know, I might have had a monkey bread once or twice in my lifetime, and that might have happened. It's gonna be really good, though.
This is what I wanted.
Yeah.
That was intentional.
You know, blessings in disguise. It's so good. But no, like the video, share the video, really helps us out. And check out one of our other videos up around these areas. And we also have a store. Check out the store right there.
And try the video.
Are you okay?
What's going on?
Oh, what's happening here?
I'm sorry.
Oh, no. Try the video. Try making your own monkey bread. And send us photos of your finished monkey bread. You can send it to us on our Instagram page.
We have an Instagram page?
Yeah, we do have an Instagram page. We're just not very active yet. But Instagram page is...
DakotaAngela.com.
Just kidding. No, Angela doesn't know the social media.
I didn't even know we had it.
She didn't even know. But that's because we're really not using it. We're gonna start using it though now that we have content that we're making. And we are at The Nest Homestead on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. The @ The Nest Homestead.